lovers, welcome back to my channel. On this video I'll be sharing my chin chin recipe with you. This method is called the all-in-one method. So here are all my ingredients on a working table. More details of the ingredients and measurements will be listed on the description. So here I'm just going to add the ingredients together to mix, except for my baking powder, which will come last. Please feel free to use your hands even though you don't have a mixer. The technique works perfectly too. You will want to mix that up until you have a roughly blend mixture, and then go ahead to add your baking powder. Mix that for a little minute before taking it to the work surface and knead it. Reasons for this is so that your ingredients can properly mix together and your baking powder can as well air out a little bit. Like I said, this method is an all-in-one method. You probably don't want to waste enough time during your working hours. This recipe is the best in town, the one you can ever have. Not those kind of chin chin you will eat and your teeth will start paining you. Try this recipe and thank me later. When you talk of fluffiness, you will get it here. When you talk of crunchy, this is it. When you talk of sweetness, everything all in one method. Please cover that up to rest and then roll and cut out to your desired shape. If you have watched this video to this extent, please like and subscribe for more videos on our channel. So my chin chin has rested for about 10 minutes, so I'm just going to spread some flowers on my working table and then cut out my chin chin to roll to my desired shape. You can actually roll out to any desired shape of yours and also cut it to any desired shape of yours, but this is me doing it to my actual chin chin size because I want to sell them. In a pot of heated oil on fire, fry on medium-high heat till golden brown and your chin chin is ready. Guys, this recipe is tested and trusted. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you on my next one. Bye.